Smile and learn.
Hello. Welcome back to the Court of Conflicts.
As you know, we all make mistakes, and knowingly or unknowingly, we can hurt others in the process. Today we will learn what to do when this happens.
Right on, Smiley. Let's get to it. First, we have to acknowledge our mistakes. Then we can apologize to the person we hurt. But be careful, it isn't always enough. We have to accompany our words with actions. In these cases, our best option is repairing the relationship. Repairing the relationship is the way we rebuild or fix what we damaged. The consequences of a conflict can be painful, not only on a physical level, but also on an emotional level. They can cause suffering and loss of trust. So, we must think very carefully about the best way to repair that damage. Like I said, it's important to show that you are sorry for your actions. There are many ways to repair a relationship. You can use your creativity to think of some ways to show that you are really sorry. Some ways to do this are helping the person you hurt, offering compensation, or simply being there for them. Helping the person you hurt. If, for example, the mistake you made caused a person to end up with a hurt hand, you can help them with their homework or carry their backpack at school. Offer compensation. You can give something in exchange for what you broke or damaged, or offer something useful to replace it. For example, if you damaged a friend's favorite coat, you could offer to fix it or replace it with a new one. Be there for them. Sometimes being present and accompanying them can be just what they need. For example, if you made someone feel unappreciated, you can show them the opposite by being there for them and thanking them for what they do. If you need ideas, think about what you would like the other person to do for you if your roles were switched. How would you like the person who hurt you to repair the relationship and apologize? Remember, there is hope in repairing a relationship. After a conflict, asking for forgiveness is important, but so is repairing the damage you caused. Let's put this into practice.
We've learned so much in just one video. Did you know there are many more videos? Imagine how much you could learn. Subscribe to the Smile and Learn educational channel to learn and have fun at the same time.